What's up, folks? Today, everyone's obsessed with market returns. Invest in the market and get your 10%. But here's what they're not telling you about the real numbers. So, according to Dalbar Studies, the gold standard for investor behavior research, over the last 20 years, while the S&P 500 delivered 9.7% annually, the average equity investor only earned 8.7%. That's a full percentage point gap, but it gets worse. Over 30-year periods, this behavior gap compounds into hundreds of thousands in lost wealth. On a $1 million portfolio, that $1 million makes the difference between having $6 million after 20 years. That's a $1 million mistake. Now, here's the kicker. We're over-relying on Social Security, which pays peanuts. Seniors today are scraping by on fixed incomes that barely cover their living expenses, let alone rising medical costs, and don't try to spoil the grandkids. Now, you've probably heard life insurance pushers say, achieve tax-free income with life insurance, and opponents of it, like Stan the Annuity Man, correctly point out that those are loans. But here's what both sides are missing. There's something called a LIRP, Life Insurance Retirement Plan. And this is what the wealthy use. And your average advisor has no clue this exists. So, how it works, and I'll put it in simple terms. A LIRP uses permanent life insurance, typically the IUL, as tax-advantaged retirement vehicles. You're essentially overfunding a life insurance policy beyond what's needed for the death benefit. Now, the structure is brilliant. You pay premiums with after-tax dollars, and that's the only way you'll ever pay taxes on the money. So the cash value grows tax-deferred linked to market indices, but with downside protection and no market risk to your principal. Now, implementation requires precision. You got to fund the policy to just below MEG limits. That's the IRS threshold that keeps life insurance and not an investment. The cash value compounds tax-free for decades, unlike 401ks or IRAs where everything comes taxable. Your LIRP remains permanently tax-advantaged. Now here's where the magic happens. At the payout, you access your money through tax-free withdrawals up to your basis, and then tax-free loans against the cash value. These aren't taxable against because technically you're borrowing against your own money. The insurance company uses the death benefit as collateral. So when you pass, the loan is satisfied from the death benefit, and your beneficiaries receive whatever's left over completely tax-free. This, ladies and gentlemen, is why wealthy families use LIRPs for generational wealth transfer. They're creating tax-free income streams while building tax-free legacies. It's legal tax avoidance at its finest. Unlike traditional retirement accounts with RMDs, age restrictions, and penalty taxes, LIRPs give you complete control, access to your money at any time and any amount tax-free. While average investors lose money to behavior gaps and pay taxes on everything, LIRP users are building wealth efficiently and tax-free, compounding and tax-free access. If you want a practitioner who understands LIRPs and other concepts your average advisor doesn't know exist, text outside the box to 203-936-7050 and let's arrange your no-obligation consult. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor Alonzo Hall. Stay tuned for more gems normally reserved for the elite. And remember, wipe ass, work in progress every day and see success. I'll see you in the next video. Salute.